If you are getting a P0682 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0682. It means that the PCM detects the glow plug voltage reading does not match the manufacturer's specifications on cylinder number 12. There are 2 simple DIY solutions you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the glow plugs. This glow plug is located on top of cylinder number 12. Carefully remove the glow plugs from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the glow plugs. Read the result off the multimeter display. Note that a resistance of less than 6 ohms usually means the glow plug is good. Repeat the procedure for the remaining glow plugs, until they have all been tested. If any of the glow plugs fail the test, it is recommended that the entire set be replaced. Method B, the glow plug control module. The glow plug control module is located on the engine and with a direct connection to the engine control unit. First, carefully remove the glow plug control module from the vehicle. Visually inspect the module to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Check the glow plug control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the glow plug control module. Replacing your glow plugs or glow plug control module is a straightforward project that is recommended every 60,000 miles or 95,000 kilometers. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix the P0682 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.